Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download from DramaBox. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Downloading content from DramaBox depends on the platform policies, but typically most streaming services may allow downloads for offline viewing with a subscription or VIP access. So first is check for a download option in the app. What you need to do is head over and open up your DramaBox app and then navigate to the drama or episode you want to download. Look for an option that is usually the down arrow icon, and then if it's available, tap on the download icon and it will begin the process. Second is to download in-app settings. If the download feature is not readily available on a specific title, check the app settings, open the DramaBox app, go to the settings menu and then look for an option like offline viewing or downloads. Enable if it's necessary to look for the download icon on the available title. Use a subscription for downloading. If you're using a free account and downloading isn't available, you may need to upgrade to a premium or VIP account to access the download feature. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.